prepping the surface to glue the stainless steel top on. All right, we're getting ready to glue this stainless top on with some contact cement. We sanded it to give it some bite. We're gonna roll on, flip it up onto the arms of the lift, roll the table on, and then flip it down. These guys are over here. Huh?
You can see a little bit of gap there.
Yeah, it's a little lifty right there. Not too bad though. Just barely. It's like this little fucking air bubble right here. But other than that, it looks good. Nice work surface. So when we get to the shop and we get it installed, we'll paint the edge black. And we're good.
It's a happy man.
All right, guys, check it out. There she is. Eric's on the button over there. Got a little touch-up paint to do. There's the view out to the lake. Boom. Look at that. Stainless steel top. It's not perfectly flat. It has like a couple little waves in it, but it's got a 5,000 pound capacity. Love it. So it's like perfect working height. Like this is like belly button height. So working on stuff, and when you're done, you put the table away. All right, one more time, Eric. Painted it red. I still got to paint that lift, 2-post lift, red. I love at the end how it's just like thump. Very solid feeling at the end there. Love it. If you've been watching the build here on this, thanks for watching. Peace.